In this video, we will see a simple way to create custom word art like these that you see on your screen right now. Now we are going to use an app within Canva called as. You can find it by going into the app section and search for Typecraft and click on this one to open it. Now this app is available and will work for both Canva free and Canva Pro version. Let me now demo how it works by creating a new design for you. So once you're here in this, type the text that you want. Let me try aquarium. And you can choose the font that you need, but I'm going to leave it at default here. Choose a style that you like and a color for the font. Then you can simply use these handles to change the font. For people who used vector editors, this might seem familiar. Once done, just click on add element to design. And if this is not satisfactory to you, you can still come here and adjust this art. I hope this looks like a fish. I know it's not perfect, but this was just for the demo purpose. And click on update element.